Hey there, Bruce Milligan from Cell Pro Repair Solutions here, just doing a screen replacement on a iPhone XS. The iPhone XS is quite a bit like the iPhone X in the repair, but a little bit slightly different. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and just get started. I want to remove these pentalobe screws. I'm going to use a blade to get in here, pull that guy out like that, so it just kind of sits there. Then at that point, grab a guitar pick, replace it, and then just sort of work your way through like that in it. And there we go, we're in. Alright, so I'm gonna need the tri-wing screwdriver, I believe. And let's start disassembling. Alright, there was one other one in here, that's right there, so we need a different screwdriver. That is the third, so it falls. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing there, but I kind of have them all organized here. So that is the third one. So as you can see, I'm lining up the screws in a nice concise order, so they line up with this. Here, 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 and here, here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the battery. I believe that is this one here. There we go, there's the battery out, and that is the battery. Now this one's a little bit tricky and you want to be careful. I like to approach this one from over here, actually, just because it's a little bit nicer to get it from this angle. So actually this one here, it's much easier from there. And then again, it's attached with a little bit of tape. And then there we go. Actually a tri-wing. One. I think there's one here. Two. Put those guys over there in a nice order again. Three. So nice and delicate with this. Don't want to have any problems with it really. So here we go. Again, I'm going to heat the underside of this up to I'm using, since the screen doesn't matter, I'm actually going to use about 150. And since the heat doesn't matter, I'm going to try and pop it all out in one go here. So usually I remove the bracket that it sits in, but in this case I was able to actually just get it out of one go, and it allows for a bit easier installation on the new piece. So let's do that. I'm going to remove this guy here. Pop this blue junk off here. There we go. Actually, I'm going to place it in the box, just to be very delicate with it. Make sure everything lines up really nicely. It's looking like it's doing that, so that's great. Let's put this guy down. There we go, that's down. Everything's sitting nice and flat. This is all tri-wing, so very nice. So that's actually all there is to do on this screen. So actually the install is pretty straightforward in that respect. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get the phone back here. That guy in. That went in easily. Usually they don't both go in that easily, but we'll see. I'm actually going to take this off for a second. Geez, it was sunny out there. Now it's raining. Yeah. Doesn't last long this time of year. Okay, so now that guy's in too. Let's just see if we can get that power in, and I think we're rocking and rolling. Okay, everything's in the way it should, so let's turn it on. I remember now, we're out of power with this guy. Alright, so it looks to be working fine. So I'm actually just going to set it and then check it out. Plug it all in. Now the first thing I want to do before I put out the screen, I actually just want to go around and check to see, make sure there's no glass shards around the side.
Actually, the screen wasn't damaged, it was the LCD, so I want to try and leave this, actually, to tell you the truth. No glass shards. So we're doing alright. We just don't want to put the screen in place, then have it hit a glass shard, and then crack the screen. That's worst case scenario, that always sucks. Then you're out of screen.
Okay. I think we're alright. Okay, and everything looks to be in place nicely. And that's how you replace the screen on a iPhone XS. If you like this video, please subscribe to the video, and thank you very much for watching.